free traffic from Instagram Reels to your website, blogs, offers, affiliate links, etc. Instagram and Facebook are organically pushing Reels to the moon. Take advantage of this traffic explosion now. Get the first mover advantage and get noticed before your competitors do and dominate your niche. No need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing skills needed. Just use other people's videos legally. Get more sales, reach, followers and engagement faster than ever before. Be up and running in 5 minutes from now and start driving free traffic in 2 minutes. Fully automated, set it up and forget about it for months or work just 15 minutes per day. Unlimited potential, works in any niche, any offer even if you have no experience, no tech skills, no followers. Commercial license included, allowing you to resell these videos and Reels for high profits. What some of the early users are saying about ReelRampage AI. Gurub Bora. It's incredibly easy to use, saves time, and is remarkably effective. It skyrocketed my engagement and brought real results fast. The simplicity of the process, combined with the impact it had, is unparalleled. It truly makes mastering Instagram effortless. Highly recommend it. Art Flair. I've tried countless traffic strategies. ReelRampage AI revolutionized my approach, skyrocketing my online presence and engagement. It's effortless, effective, and hands down the best investment for anyone serious about mastering Instagram. A game changer for traffic generation. Preethika Kapoor. As a salon owner, ReelRampage AI has been a revelation. It's boosted our Instagram visibility, drawing in more customers than we imagined. Simple to use, it's our go-to for engaging content now. I highly recommend it to any business wanting to up their social media game. Truly a game changer for us. Polub Gosal. I never took Instagram seriously until I discovered ReelRampage AI. This powerful tool has helped me generate tons of free traffic and increase my reach, followers, and sales with minimal effort. It's hands down one of the best and easiest ways to dominate social media in 2024. Good luck getting any reach, followers, traffic, or sales if you are still stuck in the traditional social media loop. You spend hours crafting the perfect post, the perfect image, the perfect caption. You give your blood, sweat, and tears only to have it disappear in a matter of minutes. The ever-changing algorithm of social media makes it nearly impossible to make anything stick. And it's happening more and more often. And it's happening to everyone, no matter the size of your audience or business. Adapt fast and adapt right. Because if you don't, you'll be stuck in the same cycle of disappointment and frustration. You'll keep losing followers, customers and sales. I can understand how discouraging it can be. I have been there. I spent $on Facebook groups, Instagram accounts, YouTube channels, and got tens of thousands of followers, subscribers, but every time I post something, it's like speaking to an empty room. However, a few months back a simple Instagram forward by my wife changed everything. More on that later. You are not using short-form videos. Instead of reading long posts, watching long videos. People are now watching short, snackable, fun, and engaging content, stuff that is around 15 to 30 seconds long. They spend hours scrolling through their feeds, swiping up and down. Even if you do, you're doing it the wrong way. You're posting just the way everyone else is doing. You're competing for the same audience, with similar content. You're boring, you're repetitive. There is no way for you to stand out even if you have the best content. The 5 massive facts why you should start with Instagram Reels right now. Instagram Reels is the fastest growing platform than Snapchat, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook. It's the future of online video, and if you are not on this platform, you're missing out big time. Secret sauce AI technology. And the best part is, you don't have to be an influencer or spend hours learning complex tools to do it. It's extremely easy to get all traffic for yourself if you start right now. And today I am going to show you how to leverage this secret sauce AI technology and Instagram Reels to get you 10x more reach, followers, traffic and sales. Fast. From the desk of Ram Ravat. Hi, My name is Ram Ravat, and I am a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I am super grateful to be able to help over 60,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2,500,000 in sales in the last 4 years. Changed everything. Last year, I casually asked my wife what she wanted for her birthday, and I ended up spending over $1,000 because of an Instagram reel she forwarded to me, smiley face. However, I was surprised to see it had over 1.4 million views, 88k likes. Their account had over 1 million followers and was growing every second. Not only did I have to buy her those sandals, we ended up buying even more stuff. How did they get so much attention with a single content? I thought to myself. But that's when I realized that there's a massive opportunity in Instagram Reels. I researched hundreds of Instagram channels, what content they posted, what techniques they used, and how I could emulate them to create content that gets attention. But to my surprise, very few were actually using Instagram Reels, and the ones who were using it mostly relied on guesswork and luck. I decided to dig deeper, understand the algorithms, and create a system for creating hyper-addictive reels with an absolute guarantee of success. I figured out you need 2 things to become successful with reels. Backhand index pointing right. 1. Create attention-grabbing, addictive, and trendy content that gets noticed and goes viral. Backhand index pointing right. 2. You need to post 10 to 20 reels every day if you want to reach millions of people, gain followers, and make sales. That's what big companies, influencers, and successful accounts were doing. Huge problem. I just couldn't find the time to record all that content and edit it. It was impossible for me to create 10 to 20 reels every single day. Also, I did not want to show my face, voice, or hundreds of scripts. And definitely I did not want to outsource or invest in something that is not yet proven. So I had to come up with something that would make video creation simple, quick, and easy, without having me to be an expert or spend hours every day creating videos. Secret sauce AI technology. Our users were thrilled to get the results they were looking for and asked us what our secret sauce. I can now quickly and easily create Instagram Reels that generate a ton of attention, traffic, and sales on demand. And the best part, I don't need to show my face, create scripts, or invest in expensive video equipment. I did not even need to record any videos if I didn't want to, the system do it for me. My wife thinks I'm a magical wizard sometimes, and I can see why. Winky face. My secret sauce technology is designed to make this all easy for you too. It's like having a personal assistant that creates high-quality content on demand, in minutes. So are you ready to tap into the power of Instagram Reels and leverage this secret sauce AI technology and become a social media superstar? New secret sauce AI technology creates hundreds of highly addictive, attention-grabbing Instagram Reels in minutes and skyrocket your reach, followers, traffic fast.